Now, the United Nations representative in Nigeria, Kallon, has warned that the country is at a crossroad to a critical food insecurity which could result in famine if appropriate actions are not taken. Mr. Kallon's warning was based on a recent study by the World Food Programme, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, and partners, which estimates that 4.4 million people are urgently in need of humanitarian assistance in the northeastern states of Borno, Adamawa, and Yobe. Kallon said the malnutrition rates are worrisome as they have further increased since October of 2020.
$250 million to respond to the acute food insecurity needs of 4.4 million people, of which 775,000 are at a critical threshold of death if nothing is done now. There are still well over 800,000 people in inaccessible areas that we cannot access as humanitarian international humanitarian partners, although some of those areas are reachable by the government itself. So indeed, we can see the need for a division of responsibility in those areas. But critical to the response is going to be the need for freedom of movement of people to come from those enclaves to areas where they can have access to. This situation has even deteriorated further as a result of one, limited access, constraints imposed by COVID-19, and also lack of resources. My call on the international community is to come to our aid now to make sure that we avert a famine.